How to watch live TV on Hulu. First things first, make sure that you do have a Hulu account before doing this method. Now pull up your preferred web browser. On my end, I'm currently using Google Chrome, so let's just head to our search bar and search for hulu.com. Now, once you are on this page, all you have to do is to log into your account. But before that, make sure that you are fully subscribed to Hulu plus Live TV subscription because if you only subscribe to regular Hulu, you won't be able to enjoy live TV. Now, if you haven't subscribed yet, just log into your account and then go to your profile and click Manage Subscription. From there, there will be um, kinds of specific plans that you can add on to your subscription. Just add live TV and then click on Save Changes. Now, once everything is finished, you will now be able to enjoy live TV on your Hulu app.